Something just escalated in one of the most sensitive choke points on earth, and it could hit your wallet faster than you think. Overnight, the United States made a bold and highly strategic move, launching what's being called Project Freedom, a mission designed to guide commercial ships safely through the Strait of Hormuz. This isn't just another military operation buried in deadlines. It's a direct response to rising tensions with Iran, and it's happening in a region where nearly a fifth of the world's oil flows every single day. The timing is critical, the messaging is deliberate, and the implications stretch far beyond the Middle East. If you have noticed gas prices feeling unpredictable or markets acting uneasy, this is exactly the kind of development that explains why. And here is the part that matters most. This isn't just about protecting ships, it's about preventing a global economic shock before it even begins. So, what exactly is happening? Project Freedom is essentially a coordinated naval effort where US forces are actively escorting and guiding oil tankers and commercial vessels through the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow but crucial waterway bordered by Iran. The concern is simple but serious. Any disruption in this corridor could choke a global oil supply almost instantly. Recent weeks have seen increased threats, aggressive posturing, and signals from Iran suggesting it could challenge or restrict passage. The US isn't waiting to react, it's moving primitively to ensure that trade continues uninterrupted. This kind of operation isn't new in concept, but the scale and urgency right now signal that Washington sees a real risk of escalation. It's a show of presence, power, and production, but also a warning that the situation could shift quickly if tensions aren't contained. Now, let's talk about why this matters beyond military strategy. The Strait of Hormuz isn't just a geographic location, it's an economic lifeline. Roughly 20% of the world oil passes through this single route. If even a fraction of that flow is disrupted, oil prices can spike within hours. That doesn't just impact energy companies, it trickles down to everyday costs. Gas prices rise, shipping costs increase, inflation pressure builds up, and suddenly groceries, travel, and basic goods become more expensive. Markets hate uncertainty, and this kind of geopolitical tensions creates exactly that. Investors starts pulling back, volatility increases, and confidence takes a hit. So when you hear about ships being escorted halfway across the world, it might sound distant, but the economic ripple effect can land right at your local gas station or grocery store. There is also deeper strategic layer unfolding here. By launching Project Freedom, the US is sending a message not just to Iran but to allies and global markets. Stability will be defended. This is about maintaining open trade routes, reassuring partners in Europe and Asia, and preventing a domino effect of economic disruption. But at the same time, it walks a very fine line. Increased military presence in such a tense region always carries the risk of miscalculation. One wrong move, one unexpected encounter, and the situation could escalate far beyond controlled escort missions. That's why global leaders are watching closely, not just for what happens next, but for how both sides communicate and respond in the coming days. What could happen next is where things get even more uncertain. If tensions cool down, Project Freedom could quietly do its job, keeping ships safe and markets stable without much longer term disruption. But if Iran pushes back or challenges these operations more directly, we could see a rapid escalation. That might mean increased military deployments, strikers, sanctions, or even direct confrontations at sea. And historically, situations like this don't stay contained for long. Energy markets would react instantly, stock markets could see sharp swing, and globally supply chains already under pressure could face a new disruption. This isn't just a regional issue, it's a global pressure point that could shape economic conditions for months. So what does all this means for you? It means staying aware because events like this often move faster than expected. If energy prices start climbing, if markets become more volatile, this is one of the key reasons why it also highlights how interconnected everything is. How a narrow stretch of water thousands of miles away can directly influence daily life in America. Project Freedom is about preventing a crisis, but it also signals just how close the world might be to one. The next few days will be critical. Whether this remains a control operation or turn into something bigger depends on decision being made right now behind closed doors. And if history has taught us anything, it's that moments like this can define the economic and political landscape far beyond today. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing my channel and stay with me. I will be again back with you with another video. Till then, goodbye.